I've spent days researching how to build a website for free with no coding, what I call vibe coding. Whether you have a laptop, smartphone, or tablet, this method works. You can create a professional website you can use as a brand or business, sell your products online, earn money, and take advantage of it completely free with full access. This video will show you everything. First, look at the website I built called MrFredStore. It's an e-commerce site that works like Amazon, Alibaba, and other big platforms. I built this site myself, and I'll show you step-by-step how I did it. See how it looks. The colors, the product photos, everything is there. Check it out on a smartphone too. You won't believe how professional it looks. You can even visit it yourself. The link is in the description. That's why I prepared this video, to show you exactly how I built this website and every step I went through. If you want to learn how I did it, watch the entire video to the end. By the time you finish, you'll have the knowledge to build a site like this, even if it's your very first time. Subscribe so you don't miss smart tutorials. This channel is AI Builders Academy, where we learn, build, and innovate with AI. Welcome. This is where you'll get all the knowledge you need. I'm Fred. If you have a question or an idea, put it in the comments and I'll reply. Let's begin. Go to your browser. In my case, I am using Google Chrome. Then go to the search bar and type Lovable.dev. This is the platform we are going to use to build our website. Search for it. When the results appear, click the first link. If you have any difficulty finding it, don't worry. I have prepared the direct link and you will find it in the video description. When you click it, you will go directly to their main website. This is what the page looks like. At the top, you will see a message that says, "Build something lovable." And below that, it says, "Create apps and websites by chatting with AI." This means you can literally build a website just by giving instructions to AI. Now, if this is your first time visiting this website, the first thing you need to do is create an account. Click where it says Get Started. After that, you will arrive on another page where you can create a free account. You will see several options: continue with Google, continue with GitHub, or continue with email. The easiest and fastest option is simply continue with Google. But in my case, I already created my account earlier, so I will just log in. After logging in, you will arrive on a page like this. Here you will see your dashboard. One interesting thing you will notice is that I am using the free plan. And the good news is that with the free plan, you can create up to 5 websites every month, which is actually very good for a free tool. Now scroll down until you see a section called Templates. Templates help you make your website look beautiful and professional without starting from zero. Click where it says Browse All. When you click it, you will see many different templates. These templates are designed for different types of websites. For example, business websites, portfolio websites, landing pages, online stores, and many others. But since I want to create a more professional website, let me show you the exact method I used. Open a new tab in your browser, then search again. Type Browse Template Aura. After searching, click the first result. If you cannot find it, don't worry. You will also find the link in the video description. This is a website where you can find many beautiful templates for free. When you enter the website, click where it says Templates. Then go to the search area and look for the type of template you want. In my case, I want to create an e-commerce website, so I will search for an e-commerce template. After searching, you will see many different designs appear. Take your time to scroll and look at them. Choose the one that you think looks good and professional. Remember, these templates are completely free, so you don't need to worry. I'm scrolling down looking for a template that matches the type of website I want to build. And here it is. This is the template I chose. I clicked on it to preview the design and make sure it looks good. If you scroll a little, you will see a button that says Use for Free. Now go to the top of the page and copy the URL of the template. We will use this link as inspiration for our AI. After copying the link, go back to Lovable.dev. Now we will give instructions to the AI. Paste the template link and write a prompt. For example, you can say, "I want to create a professional e-commerce website designed to look and feel as polished as platforms like Alibaba or Amazon. The website should be modern, visually appealing, and fully functional." Then you can include your contact information. For example, your phone number, your email address. And you can also explain what type of products your store will sell. In my case, I included products such as laptops, smartphones, clothing and shoes, electronics and accessories. The goal is to create a professional online store where customers can browse products, purchase items, and contact the business directly. After writing the prompt, paste it into Lovable, then click Generate. Now the AI will start building your website automatically. You only need to wait a little. Normally it does not take long. For developers, creating a website like this can take weeks or even months. But thanks to AI, the vibe coding process can finish in just a few minutes. And now it is done. Look at this website that has been created. Honestly, the result looks amazing. You can see the homepage, you can see the products. The design looks like a real professional online store, similar to websites like Alibaba. The website is called MrFredStore, and it also includes my contact details, such as my email and phone number. Now let's check something important. Let's switch to smartphone view. Look at how it appears. Everything still looks clean, modern, and professional, which is very important because many visitors will access your website using their phones. Now that the website is ready, the last step is publishing it. This is the step that many people find difficult, but actually it is very simple. Click where it says Code. Here you can see all the code that the AI generated for your website. Normally, coding like this is very difficult for beginners, but now it was created automatically. If you want, you can click Download to download the code to your computer. After that, click Publish so your website can go online. Here you can also change the name of your website. In my case, I will write MrFredStore. You should choose a name that has not been taken yet. If you want a custom domain like .com, .net, or .org, you can upgrade later. But for this tutorial, we are using the free version, so leave it as Lovable.app. Then choose Public so everyone can see the website. After that, click Continue. On the next page, you will see options to add information about your website. For example, the icon, the title, the description, and a social image. Let's name the website MrFredStore. Then we can add a short description. If you want, you can also upload an image. After that, click Continue. Now you will see everything ready. You will see the website link, the URL, and all the information about your website. Everything is ready to publish. Now click Publish, and that's it. You will see a message that says, "Your app is live, successfully published to the internet." This means your website is now online. Anyone can visit it. Let's test it. Open Chrome and type the website link. When you search it, you will see the website appear instantly. Here it is, MrFredStore, a complete online store created with AI. And the most amazing thing is that it was created completely free. Not even a single coin was spent. So tell me in the comments, did this video help you? If it helped you, write it in the comments. This is AI Builders Academy, where we learn, build, and innovate with AI. On this channel, you will find many things that will help you learn useful digital skills and smart knowledge. Make sure you subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Have a great day.